Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change AOL mail format. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in mail.aol.com. Once you do that, go ahead and give your credentials, then sign in into your AOL mail account. Now if you're on the phone, then go ahead and look for the two letters on the address bar and select request desktop website. Once you do that, in couple seconds your screen will somewhat look like this. Now scroll to the right, then tap on settings. Now under settings you can see theme, where you can select light, medium or dark. Now right below there you'll find message layout. Now select one of those, then you'll be able to change AOL mail format. And guys, that's it. That's how you change AOL mail format. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.